Hey everyone, it's Audrey with SimplifyingTechForSeniors.com. In this video, what I want to do is walk you through the steps on how you can cancel monthly or yearly subscriptions on your iPhone that you no longer want. But stay till the end because I am going to address some questions that people have as far as not being able to confirm a canceled subscription or even be able to find your subscriptions. So let's jump in and get those subscriptions canceled. So the first thing you want to do is go to your app store. So find this little icon and tap on that. Then you're going to tap on your profile picture up here to the top right. Tap on subscriptions. And you'll notice that you have active and inactive subscriptions. So you want to choose from the active one, and we'll just choose this one that I have. You'll notice that it is a yearly subscription and it renews December 15th. What you'll do is cancel subscription, click on that, and now it lets you know that even if you cancel this, you're still going to have access to this app until the day it expires. So we're just going to tap on confirm. And I've canceled my subscription. Now, if I do get to that point where it's coming to an end, I can always renew it for that amount for the year as well. So we'll click back on subscriptions and you'll notice it's still under my active. However, it's showing me that it expires on December 15th. Now there's three main reasons why you may not be able to find that cancel subscription button or confirm your canceled subscription. And the first one is going to be what I had discussed when you canceled is if I click on this active, it looks like I have this subscription and it's active, but when I click on it, what it's telling me is you've canceled your subscription right here, and here's the renew. And so it has been canceled and there's no need to cancel it anymore. It stays under your active list. Now, the second reason may be because when you purchased the app, it was a one-time purchase and it wasn't a subscription based. And if that's the case, then on this screen, what you would do is click on purchased and you'd be able to find all of the apps that you had a one-time purchase from. And then the third reason could be that these subscriptions need to be canceled in the app. With the app developer themselves, and you're not able to cancel that subscription within here. And there you have it. That's how you cancel all of those subscriptions, and I am sure your pocketbook is thanking you. Hey, if this video helped you in any way, why not give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button along with that bell button so you're notified every single time that we put out one of these video tutorials. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye.